Hi, it's Marieta. Thanks a lot for tuning in. In this video, I want to talk about what to do if you are not selected in DV Visa Lottery 2024. So this is actually a topic that many people are interested in because many of my subscribers are actually interested in DV Visa Lottery. They think this is the way to actually move and immigrate to the United States, and that's not necessarily true. I actually want to give you other ways how you can do that, especially if you are not selected, especially if you feel like a failure, even though you are not failure. Keep in mind that DV Visa Lottery is really about trying the chances, right? What are the chances that you are selected in lottery? Right, in jackpot? Like, think about it this way: it's not necessarily given that you will be selected. So if you're someone who is really dreaming about moving to the United States, immigrating and so on, hear me out. I totally understand. I am an immigrant myself. I moved to the United States with $700, went to school. After school, I started my business, got investor visa, then I upgraded to a green card. I've been through the process myself. I know it's not easy, and I know it's very frustrating for those who are trying to figure out the best way, right? And over the years, I learned that if you're an entrepreneur, if you're someone who has aspirations to start your own business, in my opinion, the best path is through E2 visa and then later on obtaining a green card. So this is something that I actually talk about, that I teach in my training, in my program, how you can get E2 visa and so on. Link is going to be below this video in description. You can check it out, you can enroll to that program and learn everything you need to know how you do this path. But there are also other additional different paths. Like, you don't have to just start your business. You can actually move to the United States through family member that can actually sponsor you. You can you can marry someone, that person can actually sponsor you as well. You can come on fiancé visa, later on upgrade to actually right away get a green card through marriage. Then you can also get a green card through employment if you are employed by the US company. Also, if you are employed by an international company that is doing business with the US, you might want to check out first L visa, which is called L1A, and later on upgrade to EB1C. So there are ways, right? Then also additionally to that, there is investment, right? Which is similar to investor visa, but this is called EB5 green card, which is for wealthy individuals who are investing substantial amount of capital. If you're interested, check out these videos where I actually dive deeper into that. So there are different ways you can move and immigrate to the United States, and the DV visa lottery is not just the only way, right? And again, I want you to first get that mindset that this is not the only way and this is not the end of the world if I'm not selected, right? And therefore, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna actually give you a bunch of different videos, check it out, learn these different ways how you can do that. And then if you have any question, comments, you can book a consultation. Link is going to be below. And if you're someone who wants to actually start business and who wants to actually move to the United States fairly quickly, and you have investment between 50,000 to actually 100,000, then you can definitely do that. 50 to 100K will actually get you investor visa if you qualify. And for those, I highly recommend that program that I have. Link is going to be in the description below. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll talk to you soon.